Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 8th question in exercise 8.1. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A is equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A or not. So let's first take up the input expression that's given. They told us 3 cot A is equal to 4. So that means cot A is equal to 4 by 3. I can flip this and write tan A is going to be equal to 3 by 4. Now that we have established this, let's generate the other expressions in trigonometric ratio. So we know tan A is 3 by 4. So let's draw this. This I'm marking as B, this as A, and this as C. So tan A means opposite by adjacent. So this is 3 and this side is 4. That means the hypotenuse according to trigonometric ratio 3 square plus 4 square will be AB square, which is 5 square. So AB is equal to 5. So let's generate the other ratio, which is cos A. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, so it's 4 by 5. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse, so it is 3 by 5. So now that we've got everything, let's take up the expression that was given to us. We are supposed to evaluate 1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A and check whether it is equal to cos squared A minus of sin squared A. So let's take up the first part. In here, I'm going to do the substitution. So it is 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole squared by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole squared. So this is 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So this is 16 minus 9 after LCM, which is going to be 7 by 16 divided by, after LCM and addition, this will be 25 by 16. So this fraction is simplified as 7 by 25. Now that we have evaluated 1 minus tan squared by 1 plus tan squared A, let's evaluate cos squared A minus sin squared A. Cos squared A is going to be 4 by 5 the whole squared minus sin squared A is 3 by 5 the whole squared. So this is 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So this is equal to 7 by 25. So we see that both these expressions are same. So we can conclude that 1 minus tan squared A by 1 plus tan squared A is equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 9th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.